आज से अब से आन मेरी मैं तुमको ना छूने दूंगी, जान को चाहे छलनी कर दो मान को ना छूने दूंगी।
Hello? You guys just watched the film, right? Did you like it? So now, who do I start with? Like the boys, the girls, you all liked it equally? आपको लगता है कि ऐसी फिल्में बननी चाहिए? And what else? Tell me what you all think so that then tell me.
Ma'am, first of all, it was a very amazing film and very brilliant performance by you.
Thank you.
Ma'am, I like your performance very much and I was crying at the end when you.
Really?
Yes, ma'am.
क्या बात है? क्या बात?
Very touching film. Just wanted to ask that you had a hand-to-hand combat in the scene. So, did you do any training or such that kind?
No, I did do training. I learned Krav Maga, which is an Israeli form of martial arts self-defense.
Okay.
And because I was playing a police officer, it was very important for me to learn martial arts.
Okay,
because a hand-to-hand combat
Okay,
action. So it had to be real. It had to look real. It had to look digestible for like people to see that she can fight like that.
Yeah.
So that's why the fight was very real.
मी एकच म्हणजे मला बोलायचं आहे की पिक्चर एकदम झकास आहे, तुमची ऍक्टिंग एकदम झकास आहे. थँक्यू मॅम.
Thank you.
Hello ma'am, first
Hi.
of all congratulations.
Thank you.
And I'm very excited to be here. And this movie was wonderful. We women have been waiting for such movies for a real long time. And you did it, so thank you very much. And I hope I will see some more such movies.
Yeah, I just want you all in this room, आप लोग सब प्रे कीजिए अभी बस कि बॉक्स ऑफिस हिट भी हो, क्योंकि ये फिल्म ज़रूरी है ताकि और भी प्रोड्यूसर्स ऐसी फिल्म बनाएं. And I must, I'll take the message to my husband Adi and I'll tell him to make many more such films.
मैडम, ये मर्दानी पिक्चर वाकई में आप बहुत बढ़िया है, बहुत अच्छी लगी मुझे. एक्चुअल में फिल्म के बीच में एक रोना भी आ गया कि वाकई में ये भारत कैसा है. ये अगर सबकी सब देखने लग जाएंगे ये फिल्म अबव 18 समझ लो, तो शायद कुछ हद तक शायद ये गंदगी कम हो सके.
जी, आपने एकदम बहुत अच्छा कहा. एक्चुअली मैं जितने अभी इंटरव्यूज कर रही हूँ, मैं कल दिल्ली में थी, मैंने बहुत सारे पैनल डिस्कशंस किए, मैंने बहुत सारे एनजीओ के लोगों से भी मतलब मिले. वो सब मुझे धन्यवाद दे रहे थे कि आपने ये फिल्म लेकर, ये इशू लेकर आपने मेन स्ट्रीम में ये फिल्म किया है ताकि लोगों को और पता चले कि ये जो सेक्स ट्रैफिकिंग है, ये जो ह्यूमन ट्रैफिकिंग है, इट्स अ वेरी ऑर्गेनाइज्ड क्राइम. और जितना ये फोरफ्रंट में आएगा उतने लोगों को पता चलेगी और उतना लोग उसके बारे में कुछ पता करेंगे. तो आई थिंक इट्स लाइक पीपल लाइक यू हु शुड टेक दिस फॉरवर्ड एंड टॉक अबाउट इट. हाँ.
Do people like you really exist in the police industry?
Yes, of course. In fact, through my research, I actually met so many police officers, and I would not like to emphasize female and male because I think there's a gender bias which is completely wrong. Because police officers are police officers and they do their job exactly the way a police officer should do. It's just that in this film, it is Shivani Shivaji Roy. In Singham, it is Bajirao Singham. In Dabang, it's Chulbul Pandey. But every cop does their job the way they need to do. And I met so many brave police officers through my research that I wanted through this film that the message is loud and clear to everybody in India that there are a lot of brave cops who are female. So you don't have only one Kiran Bedi, there are many like that. And through Shivani's character, I think a lot of female officers will come to the forefront and they will actually take up cases like trafficking and things a little more emotionally. Because as women, they are much more emotional. And in the words of the then Joint Commissioner, Himanshu Roy, he actually told me that the female cops are not only as good as the male cops, but probably better. So my role is actually inspired by a lot of real cops.
One more request. I am also a mother of a daughter.
Right.
And I would really appreciate if you could actually tell the school people to,
Show this film.
No, not the film, but to put up classes.
Classes.
Where self-defense is important.
Correct. Where it's compulsory to learn. But I've been talking this in all my interviews. I hope somewhere down the line, some lawmakers hear that and actually implement it. Because I feel that is very important.
आज से अब से आन मेरी मैं तुमको ना छूने दूंगी, जान को चाहे छलनी कर दो मान को ना छूने दूंगी. छू के देख